देखिए हमने सही कहा कि हमें भी जिस हिसाब से काल से वो सेजसो में जो कैजुअल हमारा वहाँ का कैजुअल स्टाफ लोग जो स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, तो मैंने उन लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट भी किया कि अभी स्ट्राइक मत कीजिए, क्योंकि सरकार उसके लिए काम कर रहा है। और आपको पता है कि ये NCTA नेशनल कंजर्वेशन ऑफ टाइगर अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, तो उसका जो CSS स्कीम है, सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर स्कीम, वो डायरेक्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ भारत सरकार से देते हैं। तो ये सिर्फ इस बार थोड़ा पेंडेमिक के चलते, ये कोरोना वायरस के चलते थोड़ा डिले हुआ, नहीं तो हर 3 महीना में 2 महीना में ये सैलरी कंटिन्यू देता है। तो इस बार ये पेंडेमिक के चलते ऑफिसर लोग काफ़ी ऑफिस में नहीं आया और वो फाइल जो ऑफिशियल प्रोसीड्योर में थोड़ा लेट हो गया। तो मैं आपके माध्यम से लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कि वो स्ट्राइक को कॉल ऑफ करें, जल्दी कॉल ऑफ करें, ताकि उसका कुछ दिन में, अभी कुछ महीना नहीं लगेगा, कुछ दिन में जल्दी से उसका सैलरी रिलीज होगा। और उतना ही नहीं, सरकार ने ये भी काम कर रहा है कि इनका जो रिवॉल्विंग फंड है, ताकि वो प्रत्येक महीना को मिले, अपना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जो है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट उसको रिवॉल्विंग फंड के लिए भी हम लोगों ने इनिशिएट कर रहा है, ताकि वो प्रत्येक महीना को मिले और वहाँ से जो सेंटर से पैसा आएगा वो अपना एक्सचेकर में रहेगा और उसको वहाँ का रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा, वो प्रत्येक महीना को मिले। इस टाइप का हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं।
आपने तोड़ दिया सर, ऐसा क्यों सर?
वादा तोड़ा नहीं है, वो अभी कर रहा है, हम लोग इसका सैलरी अभी जल्दी से जल्दी रिलीज हो जाएगी।
थैंक यू सर।
सर 10-15 साल से जो कंट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस में है, उन लोग रेगुलाइजेशन के लिए भी मांग कर रहे हैं।
वो भी कर रहे हैं, वो प्रोसीजर जो सिस्टम है, सरकार का जो सिस्टम है, वो सिस्टम का प्रोसीजर का अनुसार पर काम कर रहा है।
They are requesting for release of the wages which has not been paid to them for last few months. Actually that is the central fund under centrally sponsored scheme which is received from the government of India. So we received it during last year only, and processing of the file, as far as I remember, it was done somewhere in the month of November 2020. So however, due to pandemic and some problems might be there with the state government, because file goes to the finance department, planning department, and there from that budget is allocated, and then only funds are released by the finance department. So we have been pursuing it continuously, but what was the problem with the government, that we cannot say, because it is the matter of the finance and planning department. So last year it could not materialize, and the files were returned saying that it should be put up during the next financial year. So again we have put up in the month of April, but again some e-file system, e-office system was introduced. So the files were again returned that in e-office mode only it will be accepted. So we did started that process, because that was a complicated process and training etc. was required. So it was done somewhere at the end of the April month only, training etc. Then we started our process of e-office, and because of the so many complications and steps involved, it took almost we could do it somewhere in the last part of the May only, and immediately files were submitted to the finance department, and now it is under process, and probably by today or tomorrow we will receive it from the files with the budget allocation. Then we will send it for concurrence and release of funds.
So for 6 months they have not been getting paid. Is it like regular to do, I mean, to late the salary of the staffs?
This is not salary back, because this is the funds, central funds received from the central government.
And the central government has already sanctioned.
Already they have given, but the process is that then we have to get it through the state budget only. So unless and until the state grants us the funds, so we are not in a position to pay to them.
Okay, so आप staffs को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Just because the staff, their delegation came to me, as far as I remember, at least maybe two times. So we have explained to them everything at that time also. And we have said that we are trying our best and continuously we are following, and it is a fact that we are following on day-to-day basis. And they were requested that to wait for some time, because we are already after it. It is not so that we are sitting idle.
So, really know when will they get the salary?
Most probably this month it should be.
This month.
maybe within very few days also, because we are just after it, and it is already under process, and it is in the planning department as far as I got the report, and today most probably it will be cleared from the finance, and might be received in our office with the budget grant. Then file will be sent for finance concurrence, that is the next step, and then if required other authorization etc., which I think will be done very fast.
So, sir, the Pake Wildlife Sanctuary won't be having any staffs for these few days. What do you have to say? Is it safe?
It will certainly affect the working, because when they are not working in the field, it is certainly going to have some effect, but because our regular staff will be there, so in such short period I don't think there may be any adverse effect.
So, talking about the regular staffs, the STPF and other contingency staffs have demanded regularization of job also. Those who have completed 15 years of services, so what do you have to say? Will the department regularize the job?
So then there is a provision for 50% of regularization of the post of the contingency staff in the MTS. So that is to be done by the state staff selection board, and we have already submitted the proposal. So there is a provision of 15 years of service, then there will be exam of 3 papers, 100 marks each, that will be conducted by the SSB only. So it can be recognized that way only. Otherwise, there is no such other provision in the government.
When will the exam happen?
That depends on the SSB. Whenever they do it, it will be done.
So they are also demanding the enhancement of salary increments for them, since a staff who has been working for more than 20 years, he didn't get any increment on the salary for 20 years.
So
Is there any
that
chances of increment of salary?
because that is as per the norms fixed by the NTCA, Government of India. So we are receiving funds from there, and as per their norms only we are making the payments. So we will see to it how, if something can be done, certainly look into.
Okay. So the last demand they have made is regular payment on monthly basis.
That may be difficult, because the funds are released by the Government of India against these posts, and for every year it is sometimes it is released in the mid of the year, or sometimes it is delayed also, because there are certain procedures to be followed by the Government of India also. So it is not a state budget or something like that, a state plan budget where regular fund allocation is made and payment can be made. So as and when the funds are received from the Government of India, immediately the files are processed and we try to make the payment as early as possible.
So any message to the staff?
I would like to request them that since we know their hardships, and we are fully concerned for them, and we have been trying our best since the funds were received from Government of India. It is not so that we are sitting idle. Every day, almost every day, we are following it without their telling us their grievances. We are fully aware, and almost things are done, and so I will request them that to go to the work immediately, and the payment we hope that will be made very, very shortly to them.